हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूँ जयेश पाटोले और हम लोग अभी है कायनात अरोरा के साथ। अभी लास्ट टाइम हम मिले थे बिग बिग एंटरटेनमेंट अवार्ड्स के रेड कार्पेट पर। तभी आपने बोला था आप अपने वेट के ऊपर और ध्यान देने वाली है, यू विल बी मोर फिट।
सी मैं ऑनेस्टली बताऊँ, मेरा अभी बर्थडे गया है दिसंबर में। मेरा बर्थडे भी होता है दिसंबर। फॉर मी इज़ फुल मंथ, फेस्टिवल मंथ।
देयर आर केक्स, पेस्ट्रीज, चॉकलेट्स एवरीवेयर। तो उससे कैसे डील करती हो आप?
केक्स आते हैं एंड यू कैन नॉट कंट्रोल। सो व्हाट आई एम डूइंग इज लाइक आई ईट केक, देन आई गो प्ले बैडमिंटन। आई ईट केक, आई डू साइकिलिंग। सो आई एम ईटिंग एंड आई एम साइकिलिंग। दिस मंथ थोड़ा सा अपने आप को लीनियंट माफ़ करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि यू कान से नो टू फ्रेंड्स एंड सो मैनी फ्रेंड्स आर कमिंग गोइंग, and obviously it's a month of joy and happiness, and you go on a vacation, you're traveling, so you can't really diet. Like, December is not a month to diet, by the way. It's a month to eat. But then, I work out these days. I'm really working out like 2 hours. I play badminton, like a tough proper workout I'm doing. And I do cycling from here, from my house till Mount Mary Church, come back, go up, come back, go up. It's tough, though I have shifters and all in my cycle, but then still it's tough because it's like a mountain bike and it's hilly, slopey area. So yeah, and then I'm doing Pilates as well.
Okay, ma'am. So, how many hours or what is your workout schedule?
There's no schedule actually. Like, for example, throughout the day I have meetings or I'm working. The moment I come back home, I get 1 hour. I go play badminton, come up, take shower, go back to work, come back. If I know I can play again, I go play again, or I take a cycle and I do cycle and I come back again. So it's no schedule. You can work out even in the middle of the night. It's all about willpower. It's all about dedication. It's all about that you have to do it. So you can do it at 1, 2. Like, I've heard Salman Khan, sometimes he cycles in the middle of the night. So it's all about dedication. No?
I also seen Salman Khan cycling in the middle of the
Yeah.
night.
So see, so it can, you can do it anytime. Like, I've heard that Salman, he goes from his house to Karjat cycling. I've heard that also. So see how dedicated he is. So he's such a motivational, like, he's such a guy where you can get motivated. He's a kind of a guy you can learn from. So there's so many people who motivates you, and I think there is no time for workout. You can do that anytime. I've heard even Shahid Kapoor, sometimes he works out in the middle of the night because he doesn't get time. So sometimes in the middle of your shoot, you go out and you can do some yoga, this, that. You can do it anywhere. So I don't think so कि एक proper time होता है या कुछ. आप योगा भी कर सकते हैं, आप साइकिलिंग कर सकते हैं, आप पुशअप्स कर सकते हैं, आप कोई गेम खेल सकते हैं, बैडमिंटन खेल सकते हैं, आप अपने सेट के बाहर जाके खेल सकते हैं. It doesn't make a difference. It's about dedication.
About dedication, you are a big fan of SRK. Okay, so at 50 also he's very fit. What would you like to say about him?
You think I'm applicable to say anything about him?
You are a fan.
I'm not applicable. I should not say anything about him. He's that big for me. Like, for me, he is super duper powerhouse energy of mind and energy in terms of the way he works, the way he, like, functions. It's unmatchable, unbelievable. And the amount of work he does, he doesn't sleep, he hardly sleeps. I've seen, and I see his tweet in the middle of the night sometimes. And what a mindful guy he is, what an orator he is. So much to learn. I read his interviews, I feel I'm reading a book. So this is another side, but I'm not even applicable to say anything about him. I don't think मैं लायक भी हूँ. But ये तारीफ में आपने कहा तो मैं कुछ शब्द बोले हैं, क्योंकि लिस्ट इज लंबा.
Totally. Like SRK, he's made 6 packs, now 8 packs at the age of 50. So is it important to be fit?
उनको को थोड़े से पैक्स यहाँ भी भेजने. It's really I need it. I don't know about 6-pack abs and 8-pack abs. Honestly, I love him, with due respect, but I don't believe in 6-pack and 8-pack abs. I don't know. I believe in an athlete body. I feel you should be physically fit. It's not important to have abs. It's more important to be fit. You know how it is. I like sporty athlete, physiques. And even girls, the figure has to be such, you should look fit. सिर्फ बाहर से नहीं, internally, your internal core has to be fit. You have to be physically, internally strong, the stamina. That's more important.
And how important is the diet?
See, as you know, I've said it before also. out of 100%, 90% of your body is kitchen, 10% is your workout. So 90% of what you eat is that matters. 10% is all your workout, your games, sports, swimming, whatever you do. But 90% is kitchen. Eating, it plays a very important role. If your eating habits are bad, you're ruining your body. You're not respecting your body. I just want to say that. That's it.
ओके थैंक यू सो मच मैन फॉर आपने इतनी सारी बातें की हमारे साथ हमारे व्यूअर्स को एक फिटनेस के लिए इंस्पायर करने के लिए एक मैसेज प्लीज़
Hello everyone, this is Kainat Arora, and I just want to say all the viewers, please be fit, love yourself, eat well. If you want to stay fit, I just want to tell you 90% of your entire thing, the entire schedule, 90% is kitchen and 10% is what you work out. Don't think that you'll eat whatever and you'll work out or आप fit रहेंगे नहीं 90% is kitchen. What you eat, it really makes a difference. You are what you eat. So eat well, think well, sleep well, love yourself, don't disrespect your body.
Hi, I'm Sonali Raut, and keep watching Ask Jayesh.
That's why I joined the gym. So every day, morning, I go for a gym for at least an hour. I give that much time because
Is to go even further beyond